My name is Rishika. I am telling about A to Z freedom fighters name. A for Ambedkar, B for Bhagat Singh, C for Chandrasekhar Azad, D for Dhingra, E for Ishwar Chand, F for Firoz Shah Mehta, G for Gandhiji, H for Akka Bukka, I for Immadi Pulikesi, J for Jhansi Rani Lakshmi Bai, K for Kittu Rani Channamma, L for Lal Bahadur Shastri, M for Mangal Pandya, N for Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, O for Obawa, P for Pratap Singh, Q for Queen Abakka, R for Ram Prasad Bismil, S for Shivaji, T for Tatya Topi, U for Udham Singh, V for Vivekananda, W for Water Value Nachier, X for Xavier Patke, Y for Yadav Raj Joshi, Z for Zakir Hussain. Thank you.